pam matanga mipui kaltlanga thilpek te tuna hian lamka wai me hola lanna an nei he an lot me kani tuna hian lamka branch wai me hol zau tak hela hian oma kita hian pam kaltlanga thilpek sumle pai ron lu ta tanga soi tu tan an lei thilpek sang hei dal te Nutella te chana bek te le chame thong thom no te mutbu te he hi hei tuna hian an lot me kani thilpek pe tu te zong chunga pam chon lom thu soi tak me wani ni pui thawhkhawm atanga le ani a ni chuan hei motor pathum khat tan le a poisa fai pon cheng moi khat lai mai kha nan hlana a thaw tu te mi pui te an ni ke ni hi chu man ruwa mai a hlan tu mai kan ni
Hi everyone, my name is Tuartu. I'm a journalist working with the Hondu TV network. I would just want to give you the latest update about the incident which is happening around here in this part of Mizorama area in Manipur. So, since we are blackout media, we have no window of access to the world. So this is the update I want to give you. Confirmed death is 44, and confirmed death is 50 plus. We have more than 195 injured, 220 plus charges are burned down, and 73 plus charges administration and protests are burned down. More than 112 villages are burned down, 4,000 houses are demolished to ashes, and we have almost 20,000 people displaced internally. So this is the situation. The best way I can describe is we are being genocide, and they blackmail us as this Christian versus Hinduism. Please don't believe in that. We don't touch any single Hindu churches or temple. So this is the situation we are having. This is a very big crisis. I want to appeal to all the zona attack around the world. Thank you so much, Chief Minister Mizoram and the people of Mizoram, for your support for the lifeline. We really feel that we have a big brothers. And this is a real awakening for all the zona attack. Please keep continuing. Thank you for your support.